The Metabo HPT N5010A Stapler, a pro-preferred brand of pneumatic nailers, is an ideal tool for various fastening and installation applications such as subflooring, insulation, wall and roof sheathing, and floor and roof decking, as well as cabinetry installation and pallet assembly. It has been rated as the pro-preferred nailer for 9 consecutive years from 2014 to 2022 by Builder and Developer magazine, attesting to its quality and reliability. The stapler is lightweight at only 4.4 pounds and well-balanced, allowing for easy maneuverability during use. It accepts standard half-inch crown staples from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches in length, and features a high-capacity open magazine design that holds 157 staples for fewer replenishments. The stapler is equipped with a cylinder valve for quick response and rapid driving of fasteners, as well as a toolless jam release for reduced timeline. Additional features include easy top-load magazine for fast and easy loading, depth adjustment for countersink or flush drive into a variety of materials, a rubber grip for added comfort and a secure hold, and it is covered by Metabo HPT's professional 5-year tool warranty.